Hey guys, welcome to Henry channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can unlock the Vivo Y83 screen lock. And there you can see I have the device, and when I try to remove its screen lock from recovery mode, so I can't do it from here because it asks me for the current screen password or pattern. So we can remove it by using our PC. You can download the following tool from the link in description, which is Miracle Thunder. So just download the tool and select the boot channel and the model number of this phone. As you can see, I have selected, and then just go to MTK tab. Once all that done, you have to download this following file, which is the DA and the auth file. You can also download this file from the link in description. Just extract the file, and on your tool go to custom settings, and there select both of the files. Select the DA file in the DA and the auth file in the auth menu, and make sure that you check both of them. Now both of the files are imported, so now we can just connect our phone by holding both of the volume keys and click start button. And guys, there you can see it has picked up the phone. Now from here, just check the user data and clear it. Just cancel it from here and connect your phone once again. And guys, there we go. Click on OK now, and that's it. So guys, all done now. You just have to turn on your phone and the screen lock will be removed. So guys, there you can see we have successfully bypassed the screen lock of Vivo Y83. So that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.